Hey everyone, welcome back to the Save Money Calculator channel. If you're building a portfolio that's not just surviving 2026, but absolutely crushing it, you've landed on the right video, because today we're diving deep into Vertiv Holdings and CRWD stock as two of the top stocks to buy for 2026. Plus, we'll break down the latest silver price predictions that could make you rethink your safe haven plays. I'm Samson, your no BS guide at Save Money Calculator, where we use real data and our free tools at Savemoneycalculator.com to show you exactly how much these investments could grow your wealth in Naira or dollars. Perfect for beginners or pros looking to stack gains amid market volatility. With AI infrastructure exploding and cybersecurity threats at all-time highs, 2026 is shaping up to be a year where smart bets pay off big. So grab your notebook, because by the end, you'll have a clear plan to add these to your watch list and see your projections run live. Let's kick off with the star of the show, Vertiv Holdings. Vertiv Holdings, ticker VRT, is the unsung hero of the AI revolution. And if you're not paying attention, you're missing out on one of the stocks to buy for 2026 that could 3x your money in the next 18 months. Right now, VRT is trading around $98, up over 200% YTD. But let's look at why it's not overvalued. Q3 2025 earnings showed revenue hitting $1.8 billion, a 25% jump year over year, driven by data center cooling systems that are absolutely essential for AI servers, running hotter than ever. Think about it. Every NVIDIA chip or Google AI model needs liquid cooling to not melt. And Vertiv owns 40% of that market, with partnerships like Dell and HPE locking in multi-year deals worth billions. Analysts at JP Morgan just raised their price target to $185 for 2027, calling it the next super micro, but actually profitable. And with a forward PE of only 28 times versus 45 times for peers, it's screaming buy before the next earnings in February 2026. Now plug this into SaveMoneyCalculator.com. Start with $1,000 today at a conservative 40% CAGR. And by end of 2026, you're looking at $1,960. Bump it to $5,000, and that's nearly $10,000. For Nigerian viewers, 1.5 million Naira invested via Trove or Bamboo in VRT could grow to 3 million by 2026, beating inflation hands down. Risks? Supply chain hiccups from China tensions, but with $1.2 billion in backlog, they're insulated. Add VRT to your stocks to buy for 2026 list today. Shifting gears to cybersecurity, CRWD stock CrowdStrike Holdings is another must-have for 2026. And if you're not already in, this is your wake-up call, because with cyber attacks up 75% year over year and AI making threats smarter, CRWD is positioned to dominate like never before. Trading at around $380 after a post-outage dip, CRWD's Q3 showed subscription revenue up 33% to $3.65 billion, with annual recurring revenue hitting $4 billion run rate, and their Falcon platform now protects 62% of Fortune 100 companies. Morgan Stanley's 2027 target is $580, and with a forward PE of 65 times, that's justified by 35% expected growth. This is a stocks to buy for 2026, no-brainer for anyone serious about portfolio protection. Let's run the numbers on SaveMoneyCalculator.com. $1,000 at 30% CAGR lands you $1,690 by end of 2026. Scale to $10,000 and that's $16,900, or in Naira, 1.5 million becomes 2.5 million, shielding your wealth from cyber risks that could cost businesses trillions. The outage was a blip. New AI-driven threat detection is already winning back trust, and with partnerships like AWS and Microsoft, CRWD's moat is widening. Add it now before the next earnings beat pushes it to $450. Now let's talk about something timeless yet trending: silver price predictions for 2026. Because while stocks like VRT and CRWD are your growth engines, silver is the hedge that keeps your portfolio safe when everything else shakes. As of today, silver is hovering at $34.20 per ounce after that CME halt sparked a 3.8% spike, and with industrial demand from solar panels in EVs projected to jump 15% next year per the Silver Institute, plus central banks diversifying from dollars, analysts at Kitco and Investing.com see silver hitting $38 to $42 by mid-2026, a 12 to 23% gain. That's not just speculation. Silver's ETF inflows are up 40% YTD, and with gold at $2,735, signaling safe haven flows, silver's industrial dual role makes it a stocks to buy for 2026, equivalent in commodities. On Savemoneycalculator.com, $1,000 in SLV ETF at 15% annual growth becomes $1,160 by end of 2026. Better yet, $1.5 million in physical silver or iShares Silver Trust via Bamboo could yield $1.7 million, protecting against Naira devaluation. Risks: short-term volatility for rate cuts, but long-term supply shortages keep the floor high. Pair it with VRT for AI exposure and CRWD for defense, creating a balanced 2026 portfolio. Wrapping this up, Vertiv Holdings, CRWD stock, and smart silver price predictions are your trifecta for 2026: growth, protection, and hedge in one unbeatable combo. Whether you're starting with $1,000 or 1.5 million Nero, SaveMoneyCalculator.com has the free tools to run your custom projections and see exactly how these fit your risk level. If this video just clarified your next buy, like it, subscribe for more actionable breakdowns, and comment VRT plus CRWD plus silver if you're adding all three. Let's build that 2026 millionaire portfolio together. See you in the next one.